On April 14th to 18th, 2025, Russell Laffitte, former CEO of Palmetto State Bank and Alex Murdaugh's co-conspirator, pled guilty to 6 federal counts, including conspiracy to commit wire and bank fraud, wire fraud, and 3 counts of misapplication of bank funds, admitting that he helped Murdaugh steal millions from vulnerable clients in wrongful death and personal injury cases. Under his plea agreement, Laffitte agreed to pay approximately $3.55 million in restitution and faces a recommended sentence of 5 years imprisonment. This plea follows the overturning of his 2022 conviction on procedural grounds and precedes a state trial set for October 2025. Russell Lucius Laffitte, 54, served as CEO and senior officer of Palmetto State Bank in Hampton, SC. Beginning in 2011, Laffitte agreed to act as conservator and personal representative for several of Murdaugh's clients, extremely vulnerable people who had lost loved ones, while secretly extending loans to himself and to Murdaugh from those conservatorship accounts. On April 14, 2025, in federal court in Charleston, Laffitte pleaded guilty to 6 counts: conspiracy to commit wire fraud and bank fraud, wire fraud, 3 counts of misapplication of bank funds. Under his agreement, he will repay $3,555,884.80 in criminal restitution to the victims before sentencing, accept a joint recommendation of a 5-year prison term with credit for time already served, be barred from serving as an officer or director of any federally insured bank or credit union without prior DOJ approval. U.S. Attorney's Office Criminal Division Chief Ben Garner summarized the joint culpability. Russell Laffitte and Alex Murdaugh abused their positions of power to victimize people who trusted them. As of today, both have pleaded guilty and accepted responsibility for their crimes in federal court. Judge Richard M. Gergel, presiding, accepted the plea and will impose the sentence at a later date. 2 sisters, aged 12 and 8, lost their mother in a car crash. Murdaugh and Laffitte mismanaged their $1 million settlement, with Laffitte personally diverting $20,000 for a swimming pool. Laffitte extended himself $355,000 in loans, and Murdaugh $990,000 from client funds, then concealed those transactions and failed to file suspicious activity reports. The plea secures full restitution for identified victims, but many continue to grapple with financial and emotional fallout. A forthcoming segment will feature an interview with a victim advocate from the South Carolina Victim Assistance Network. Laffitte's original 2022